How to get $80 Home Depot coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Home Depot coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Groupon.com. This is the legit website. Once you're on the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Home Depot. Just scroll and check out the offers. 35% off, $50 off, 70% off, and many more. You can head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Shop Now. You will be directed to the official website of Home Depot. Then you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Home Depot. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out other website. This one, Coupon Follow. This is also the legit one website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Home Depot. Just scroll down and check out the offers. So that's where you can easily get up to $80 working coupon code for Home Depot. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.